This video is all about the divider-chooser method of fair division. The divider-chooser method also goes by another name, and that's the idea of you cut, I choose. When trying to divide a continuous asset that can be cut in any sort of way, you definitely don't want your friend to be the one that cuts and chooses. They'll make one piece a little bigger and give you the smaller one. But when one person cuts and the other one gets to choose, it makes everyone a little more honest. Let's look at this problem with a cake. Here we have Marissa and Clay, and they're going to share a cake. The total cake cost was $45 between the two of them, and it has alternating wedges of flavors. 3 wedges are chocolate and 3 wedges are strawberry. Let's start by making this picture of our cake look a little more accurate. We have alternating flavors of chocolate and strawberry. There, that looks a little better. We're told that Marissa likes each flavor the same and that Clay likes chocolate twice as much as strawberry. They're going to flip a coin. Melissa will be the divider, or the one that gets to cut the cake, and Clay will be the chooser, the one that gets to choose his half. We need to figure out how is Marissa going to cut the cake, and then which half will Clay choose. Let's talk about each person's value system. If Marissa likes each the same, that means that each wedge is worth the same amount to her. That's $45 divided into 6 slices, so each slice is worth $7.50. But Clay is different. Clay likes chocolate twice as much as strawberry. That means that 1 slice of chocolate is worth the same to him as 2 slices of strawberry. So with this total cake being 3 slices of chocolate and 3 slices of strawberry, for a total of $45, we could substitute 2 strawberries for every slice of chocolate, which would give us 3 times 2s plus 3s equal to $45. That's 6s plus 3s equals $45, for a total of 9 times s equal to 45. If 9 times s is equal to 45, that means that each slice of strawberry to Clay is worth $5. And if chocolate is worth twice as much as strawberry to Clay, then each slice of chocolate is worth $10. You should do a quick check to make sure that this adds up to a total of $45. Now that we understand each player's individual value system, let's think about how Marissa might cut the cake. Remember, to Marissa, this whole cake is the same, so she might cut it anywhere. If it were me and I was Marissa, I would just make a slice using a path of least resistance, maybe something like this. Cutting the cake right down the middle like that gives us 2 halves. One half has 1 slice of chocolate and 2 slices of strawberry. The other half has 1 slice of strawberry and 2 slices of chocolate. Marissa has now divided the entire cake into 2 shares, S1 and S2. And based on her value system, these 2 shares are each worth exactly 50% of the cost of the cake. According to Clay, these 2 halves are not worth the same. So which one do you think Clay is going to choose? Of course, Clay will choose S2. Based on Clay's value system, this is worth $10 plus $5 plus another $10 for a total of $25. This means he's gotten more than his fair share, or more than 50% of the total value of the cake. S1 in Clay's eyes is only worth $20, which would be less than half. So with S1 being worth $22.50 to Marissa, and S2 being worth $25 to Clay, this is considered a fair division. Each player received at least 50% of the total value of the cake. Can you see how it might be better to be the chooser than the cutter? Think about that for a moment. And that's how the divider-chooser method works.